All right, and welcome to the second edition of GSC Complex Training. We're talking today about back, biceps, rear delts, traps, and of course, your spinal erectors. So we're gonna start right off with a set of rows of your choice. We're gonna go with straight leg, dual rows on the grind straps. Keep it nice and tight along your entire posterior chain. Very big range of motion, getting a lot of retraction and protraction to engage the traps, and we have a little bit of a twist with the hands to get those biceps really working and moving. We'll get about 12 just to get the muscles warmed up. And from there we go right on back. We get a set of biceps curls, and we could do this, of course, with either two arms, or you can go with a single arm variation where the other assistance arm comes straight down. We'll get a total of 10 on each arm, making sure the elbow is lifted up, still keeping tension in your backside. Traps, glutes, hamstrings, that's where you get your stability, and stability means strength. And after the curls, we come right on down. Straps are vertical in this position here, feet are flat, and now we have the strap bridge. So pulling the shoulders down and back and arching up, holding for about a 5 count, and then back down. We get 5 reps of this, basically trying to pull your shoulders and your heels close to one another. This gives your pull chain a bit of a break, although you're still getting a bit of a grip exercise. And you get your whole extension chain, glutes, hamstrings, erectors, everything working on the back side of the body. Very therapeutic, but don't let it deceive you. It's also very challenging for your erectors. And immediately after that, we rock on back, straighten out the body once again. We have the rear flies. Allow your shoulder blades to come forward. So that way you're getting more of the upper traps as well as your rear delts working together. Of course, adjust the resistance as required. That's one of the benefits of Grind Style Calisthenics Complex Training is each exercise has the perfect amount of resistance for your fitness level and for that exercise in particular. And then once you're done with your rear flies, you come down for a seated pull-ups. Now, at this stage in the complex, your back, biceps, and shoulders should be pretty well smoked. So even if these jackknife pull-ups are not something you normally engage in for your normal back training, at this point, they will be still significantly challenging. Put an emphasis on driving the elbows as far down and back as possible, and you'll get 10 repetitions here to finish off the whole mess. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more, check out my book, Grind Style Calisthenics. I also left the notes on what the complex entails down below in the description, where you can also find a link to the book down there as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.